Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Meet. We got a 71 Roadrunner. It's got a pistol grip 4-speed in there. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study all the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. If you enjoy our videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in a good-looking Roadrunner. So it is a real Roadrunner, real 383, real pistol grip 4-speed car. It was Go Green, now it's painted Tor Red, which is the same as Hemi Orange. Plymouth calls it Tor Red, Dodge is Hemi Orange. Good looking car though. I mean, look at the stance, the tire size, the stripes, the spoilers, the colors. It's a looker. Overall condition of this one, it's just a really good, honest, straight car. It's not the 10, it's not the first place winner, but it certainly will win trophies at all the local car shows. It'll get more compliments than you'll know what to do with. But really solid. Starting underneath, yeah, the car's very solid. The frame rails, floors, everything looked really good. I didn't see any issues. I didn't hear anything bad from the guys in the shop, so I think it's a really solid car. The front end looks like it's been completely rebuilt not that long ago. The ball joints, bushings, tie rod ends, shocks all look new or recent. The rear shocks look like they're very recent. The fuel tank looks new. It's got a dual exhaust system with the original type chrome exhaust tips. There's some fancy tips. Look at the pictures of those. I don't know what you call them, but they're pretty cool. It has the original, or has an original, I didn't check for the matching numbers, but it is a correct 833 4-speed trans. It's got an 8 3/4 rear end. You know, looking up at the motor and trans, they look clean. Car runs nice. We'll start it in a minute. The body is really straight and solid. Look how square the hood fits. All the panels fit really nice and square. They line up very nicely. I mean, that's precision right there. And it's all smooth along the bottom. It's got the Mopar Pennstar emblem right there. So the body's straight. I looked down both sides. It's not wavy. There's no door dings. The roof is nice and straight. No issues. Trunk lines up really nice and square. So I think it has a really good body. It's got the new stripes with the Roadrunner. It's got a spoiler. I mentioned the 15-inch wheels. They look brand new. A little bit wider in back, a little bigger tires. So it's got that nice muscle car stance. All the glass is original. So there's some light scratches, but it's good. The bumpers are both original. They're dry chrome, still have shine. Standing here, they look new, but you get up close, they're a little freckled and worn. Taillights are really nice. Inside the trunk is clean, solid metal. It's painted orange. It's kind of a, not flat, but it's not glossy, but it's respectable. It's solid. It's got a mat. It's got the complete jack and spare assembly all bolted in, so it's a respectable trunk. I was talking about how solid it is. The bottom lip on these doors are super clean. Door jambs are painted nicely. The weather strips and the window seals have been replaced. New stickers here. It's got this scooped hood, new 383 stickers, got the turn signals, hood pins. I like the black grille with the Roadrunner head just floating there in the middle. It's got some custom headlights. Original antenna. It's a 1966 383 motor, so it is the same engine that would have been in here. Just dated a little early. Upgraded aluminum intake, and it looks like a new Edelbrock carb with electric choke. The VIN number is stamped on the core support, on the cowl, and on the fender tag. They all match the VIN number in the dash. They call this the Halloween interior. There was such a thing. It was a two-tone orange and black seats. The seats have been reupholstered. Carpets look new. Door panels are really nice original. The upper part is upholstery. The bottom part's plastic, front and back, and they're in really nice shape. The dash pad does have a split in the dash pad right on top. We have door panels. Look how nice they are. It's got the tough grip steering wheel. That's one of my favorite steering wheels. And of course, the big old pistol grip shifter, Hurst shifter coming out of the floor. Seat belts front and back. The headliner's real nice. Dome light works. The actual instrument panel is excellent. Nothing cracked, broken, drilled. It has the original AM radio, the heater controls, all that's real nice. Now there is a modern stereo mounted up under the dash with some 6x9 speakers in the back. And yes, the Roadrunner horn does work. So it has power steering, Mopar radiator looks real good, has the shroud, the fan looks new, batteries bolted down, factory exhaust manifolds, valve covers, air cleaner, has the new pie tin, the 383 Roadrunner pie tin, and the metal, the whole engine bay metal is really good, all painted orange. Again, not super glossy, but it is good metal, and it's painted. I'll fire it up for you. Seats feel good as far as the cushion's concerned. It feels nice. The mirror's real nice. Visors are real nice. It has the shoulder belts. I noticed when I got in, the little light that shines on the key actually works. I don't know if I've ever noticed that before. Probably because they don't work on most of the other cars. Gear controls light up. Runs nice, shifts nice. I personally know the man that we acquired this car from. Honest guy. He wouldn't bring me a car knowing that there was an issue with it. Overall, the paint is shiny and glossy. I don't think we talked about that. Door shuts beautifully. I like it when a door shuts nice. If you're a body man or someone with an eagle eye, you'll find a little fuzzy area or a little dust. I'd say the finish is better than a factory finish. It's better than a factory finish, but it's not at that $20,000 paint job level either. So really nice, solid, respectable car. Fits nice, great body, great looker, pistol grip 4-speed, real Roadrunner, fender tag. It's a nice car, folks. That's my impression of it. If you have questions or concerns or want more detailed description of any part of it, go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our salesmen. They'll help with all of that. And they can help with financing and delivery as well. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on the bell icon, you'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.